Welcome to Dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create an API key in Brevo. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Brevo account, then click on your profile icon or name from here, then click on Settings. Now, click on SMTP and API. Here, make sure to jump to API keys and MCP tab. Because if you don't do so, you will generate an SMTP key and not an API key. So make sure you are in the API keys tab and click on generate new API key. Here, before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this Dotcom Builders Academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Here, name your API key. For example, in my case, I will call it test API key to delete, because I will delete it later. Click on generate, and just like that, your API key, this is it, and you can copy it from here, copy it to clipboard and click on OK. And this is my new API key with the name, the status active, created on this date. And this is how to create an API key in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.